A safety precaution I cannot stress enough on a motorcycle, no matter what time of day it is to always be running your high beams. It is so inexpensive to replace your high beam, okay? It'll be like what, $6-7? I don't know, but it's a bulb. It's not that expensive, okay? You can always replace what are you doing, baby? You can always replace a bulb, but what that bulb will do is that it'll give you greater visibility to drivers that may not otherwise see you. Having a bright light at the front of your bike is probably it's the safest thing you can do to keep, the most valuable thing you can do to keep yourself safe on a motorcycle absent good riding habits, right? I always encourage good riding habits first, but in terms of external safety measures that you can take to make sure that people can see you and that you can motorcycle safely, having that bright light for people to see in their rear view, in their side view mirrors, that's probably the most important thing. There is a lot of traffic. This message goes out to all